Flying dogs, right on. Later on, I'll have to get some here, Judy. All right. Mike, take them off. Down and low pass for CNN News. That's awesome. Hey, you got a bogey in your tail, now what? Very good. 9.9, 9.7, 9.76 from the North Korean judge. Good job. That's some good stuff here. Good job, mister.
Oh, thank you, Bob.
You're welcome. Very good, Joe.
Low pass, here he comes.
Heck, that thing cooks.
landing.
Landing, all right. Okay, here we go.
That'll work out. Good job.
Yay! 9.9, 10, and 10. Very good.
Very nice, Dan.
Good stuff. You're welcome. Yeah, you have to Come on over. Oh, easy. Hold him down. Very good, Axel.
No, I had it in my hand. I just no, I was just trying to empty it right now because I had it on my hand. I had it out.
We have to turn down the wind machine, gentlemen.
Hi, Bob.
How's it, Bill? How's it going, man? All right.
Hey, all right. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well. How's it going, Joe?
You put us on YouTube again?
Absolutely.
Are you? Well,
I sure will.
This is actually my new neighbor, so lives by me in Burbank. So I'm
Okay,
inviting him to come
awesome.
out.
Hello, how are you?
This is Bob the photographer.
Enjoy the day.
So he does this for us. Puts it on YouTube where he sends, takes all our videos. And he sends it, if you want, if you have an email address, he'll send it to your house.
Yeah, we send it right to your house. We'll just look for Palos' website, or I can send it to you. Joey can send it off. Right on, man. Good stuff. A lot of fun, a lot of fun. You got some future pilots right here, I see.
And he flies nothing but helicopters. We don't know that against him. No helicopter today?
I didn't bring them out today because I'm afraid. Too windy. You know, I get a downdraft and it'll be game over. Yes.
Maybe next time.
Next time, absolutely.
And then we'll let you know about the Mount Greenwood.
Harder you want it to. Engine died out. Yeah.
Not gonna stop fighting.
Not really.
Combat. Combat.